Each operator in C has a precedent associated with it. This precedence is used to determine how an expression involving more than one operator is evaluated. There are distinct levels of precedent and operator may belong to one of these levels. The operator at the higher level of precedence are evaluated first. The operators of the same precedence are evaluated either from left to right or from right to left depending on the level. This is known as the associativity property of an operator. Now we will see complete list of operators, their precedent levels and their rules of associativity. The groups are listed in the order of decreasing precedence. Rank 1 indicates the highest precedent level and rank 15 the lowest precedent. So the first rank and the operator is brackets and it is used for function call and which is executed from left to right. So whenever in your expression bracket comes, it will be executed first. So the first preference in the expression will be given to brackets and it is executed from left to right and it has first rank. Second one is plus, that is double plus, double minus and logical negation. So second rank is for increment, decrement and logical negation and they work from right to left. So the second preference will be for the operators increment, decrement and logical negation. The third preference will be for the multiplication, division and modulus and they work from left to right and it has third rank. So whenever multiplication, division and modulus symbol comes, it has third preference to execute the expression. After multiplication, division and modulo, the next priority will be given to the addition and subtraction and even they also work from left to right, means they execute from left to right side and it has fourth rank in the given list. Next, fifth rank will be given to left shift and right shift and even they also execute from left to right. The sixth rank is given to the less than or equal to, greater than and greater than or equal to symbols and even these operators will execute from left to right and it has sixth rank. Next one is equality and inequality and it has seventh rank and they also work from left to right. Next one is bitwise and it has 8th rank and it works from left to right. Next one bitwise XOR and it works from left to right and it has 9th rank. Next one, bitwise OR, and it has 10th rank. Next one, logical and it has 11th rank, and even this also executes from left to right side. Next one, logical OR, and it has 12th rank. So 13th rank is given to the conditional expression, that is question mark and colon, and it executes from right to left. The 14th rank is given to the assignment operator, that is equal to, star equal to, divide equal to, modulo equal to, plus equal to, and minus equal to, and it works from right hand side to left hand side. Next one, comma operator, and it works from left to right, and it has got 15th rank. So these are the operators which are categorized based on their rank. So whenever expression, if the rank is first, then that particular operator will execute first. So as this in the given table, the bracket operator will execute first, which has first rank, and the last operator, that is comma operator, will execute at the end of the expression. It is very important to note carefully the order of precedence and associativity of operators. Consider the given statement. If x equal to 10 plus 15, then logical operator, that is AND operator. Next, y is less than 10. The precedent rule says that the addition operator has a higher priority than the logical operator AND the relational operator equal to and less than symbol. Therefore, the addition of 10 and 15 is executed first. This is equivalent to if x equal to 25 and y is less than 10. So here we have first executed 10 plus 15, that is 25. Because plus symbol has highest priority than equal to symbol, as well as and logical and less than symbol. The next step is to determine whether x is equal to 25 and y is less than 10. If we assume a value of 20 for x and 5 for y, then x equal to 25 is false, that is 0, and y is less than 10 will become true, so the value will be 1. Note that since the operator less than has a higher priority compared to equal to symbol, so y is less than 10 is tested first, and then x equal to 25 is tested. Finally, we will get if false, then logical and true, and close the bracket. So this statement will be, because one of the condition is false, the complex condition is false, and the condition the answer will be 0. Now we will see rules of precedence and associativity. Precedence rules decide the order in which different operators are applied. Associativity rule decides the order in which multiple occurrences of the same level operator are applied.